Hi, this is John Morgan with the latest video tip for 2020 design.
Let's talk about display settings and rendering performance. If I come over here to the File tab, there's a feature under File called Preferences. If I go in here and I choose Rendering Performance, I want you to notice something. There's a feature in the middle called Shapes. That feature in the middle called Shapes, you'll see that mine happens to be set on Draft. If I click on the button next to Draft, and I move down here and I click on Best, it will tell 2020 to use the best graphic settings or best resolution possible. So take a look at your system. If you're not happy with your output, go again into Preferences, go to Rendering Performance, and make sure that you're not set on Draft. Draft would be the lowest setting. Now, a couple of other items I want to mention. I have something that I call small screen. If you look at my perspective right now, this is a very large perspective, right? Fills my screen. If I come up here and I click on this button, it will reduce it in size. You'll see that I have a smaller screen with a perspective. And as I move around, I can do everything I did with the large screen. But if you have it set in a smaller screen, it actually renders much more quickly. You'll go from draft mode to photo quality within just a few seconds because it's in a small screen. Just by moving your cursor to the frame, and you can grab hold of it and you can make it larger or wider in that case, make it more narrower, but you can set it to be whatever size you want. And that way, as you're working, you can have the speed and accuracy, yet still get the beautiful renderings. And then when you're finished, you can go ahead and maximize it again and let it do one final drawing at that large screen.
Please join the 2020 community at www.2020spaces.com/community.